are going to love the 2011 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, power sunroof, Sirius satellite radio, push-button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, auto express down window, cloth upholstery. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.